No comment from key offices and the mounting evidence of institutional decay. The implications are profound. The Geza movement is not only shaking the system, it is exposing the rot beneath it. If impeachment efforts succeed, Geza is vowed to escalate the campaign for justice, sending a clear message that no one, not even the head of state, is above the law. Sanapenda mashoko anobuda panguva ino ari kunokunzi aiwa the legal and political reckoning has begun. Notibo subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipita panapa mZimbabwe Muchinzi. Harare City Council, Zimbabwe District Office has confirmed the presence of close to 80 members of parliament enlisted to obtain free stands. Tiendra mberi nawo vanoenda mberi vachiti. In a turn of events signaling a seismic shift in Zimbabwe's political terrain, the Geza movement has sparked tremors so deep that the regime appears to be crumbling under the weight of its own corruption. As anti-corruption activists and war veteran Blessed Geza rallies the nation with an unflinching call for the impeachment of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, the establishment has responded not with transparency but with panic in what bears the hallmarks of a desperate bribe to stave off accountability. Harare City Council Zimbabwe District Office has confirmed the quiet but coordinated arrival of nearly 80 members of parliament, each allegedly poised to receive free residential stands. Domashkwanumda panapa kunokunzi aiwa panapa kunokunzi kune legislators vanosvika around 80 vakonfirma kunzi aiwa these guys they are yet to receive residential stands nokuda kwekusapota mutungamiri wenyika kuti vasaopoza aiwa kuti mutungamiri wenyika arambe ari on to power, kuti panguva ino vasapoti aiwa kuti Geza mashoko anotaura aiwa impeachment ndeerema. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi nyasinokunzi aiwa these guys they are trying aiwa to remain into power, but ukonekwa kunzi even though nyasinokunzi nature the whole Zimbabwe at large it against them. Pauchete nemaevents ari kutranspire ari kungoburitsa chokwadi but vanhu vachingotsokoteedzera kuti varambe vari on to power. Tudze mafunguro enyu pina comment section medu. So subscribe or like on the